Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy. In this video, I want to show you how you can log into your WordPress dashboard. It's one of the basic things that all business owners or website owners should know. So the way to log in is to add this slash wp-admin in the back of your URL. So you can go to your URL and then paste in slash wp-admin and enter. Once it shows you the login, you can just type in your username and password, then you click enter. So now you're logged into the dashboard. But please take note that not all website login URL is wp-admin because it can be changed by using plugin or by your developer. So just check with your developer what is the actual login URL if you can't log in with this wp-admin. Okay, so if you want to learn how to change this login URL, just comment edit and I will share with you another video tutorial on how you can change the WP login URL. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you then. Thank you.